Hello, friends. Do not be surprised if the e wallet on your mobile looks like a multi monetary account by the end of the next decade. You can, however, be a borrower of the central banks rather than commercial banks. In truth, a number of them, as long as you don't start associate the future of money with Bitcoin. The notion that most of today's cash use will move to digital tokens is neither faddish nor outlandish. Equally conventionally, this new way of earning or investing money will eventually replace traditional currency benefits in everyday life. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a modern digital currency developed in 2009 by an anonymous person identified only by Satoshi Nakamoto. There are no middlemen in transaction, no banks, so this is very unique. You can use your Bitcoin for shopping, for booking movie tickets, for purchasing groceries, and etc. But a great deal of hype is to make it invaluable in 2017 because the price of the Bitcoin went up to thousands. It grew above $60,000 in March 2021. So, is Bitcoin is the future of digital currency? Bitcoin is a kind of electronic currency that is generated and stored on a device. Bitcoin is not a paper money such as rupee, dollar, euro, or yen owned by the central or currency banks. It is first cryptocurrency created by individuals and companies worldwide using sophisticated computer softwares that solve mathematical problems. Unique properties of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is easy to set up. Though Bitcoin you can create an account in minutes with no fees, no credit checks, and no ambiguous request to respond to. Bitcoin works in decentralized manner where transactions recorded so that you can check them anytime if you want. You can go anonymous with Bitcoins. Banks now know everything about their consumers for all regions, including financial records, email, mobile numbers, management of capital, and so on. For Bitcoin, it is entirely different since the wallet doesn't attach to any specific details. Investing in Bitcoin. You can get access to quick installments. Bitcoin is non returnable. So consider when you give your Bitcoin to another, you have no way to getting them back until the recipient agreed to return them to you. This ensures that an installment collected, meaning that whoever you are trading with can't deceive you by claiming that they never received the money. So, what are the pros and what are the cons? Now, if we first discuss the cons. First is the price volatility. Recent gains are good news for sure for bitcoins, but it carry a lot of price variation. Today, its rate is higher for investment, but tomorrow it can be different or it will be different, which might get you in trouble for bearing losses. Fear of hacking. Although supporters claim that Bitcoin blockchain technology is more robust than conventional economic money transactions, hackers have found Bitcoin hot wallets to be lucrative goal. Several high profile thefts also occurred, including the theft of more than 40 million of Bitcoin from several high net worth accounts. Unregulated. Bitcoin itself is unregulated, and if anything goes wrong, it leaves you legally vulnerable. So, should you buy Bitcoin? There are some pros also. What are the pros? Number one is the private safe purchase. When you buy a Bitcoin, you can send them to anyone, anybody, anywhere, at any moment, cutting down on the same time and possible cost of any purchase. Personal information such as name or credit card number is not used in the transactions, which reduce the possibility of payment information being used for illegal purpose or identity theft. Second advantage of the Bitcoin is the possibility of significant growth. Any Bitcoin holder who purchase and keep it for the future, and in future there will be greater trust and broader adoption will develop. It means and hence Bitcoin value will rise. Third, the ability to reduce the conventional banking procedures. Having a risk of financial crash and the Great Recession, some investors are keen to adopt a decentralized currency that is largely independent of traditional banks, governments, and other third parties. There are several cryptocurrencies, and if you are interested, we will get back every cryptocurrency videos for you. Each cryptocurrencies videos for you. So please hit like button and please subscribe us. Thank you very much.